Hello guys, welcome back on YouTube channel. Today we speak about BRICS, this new alliance, and how BRICS will influence the financial market, and how this will apply on the dollar value in the future. BRICS, of course, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. They are, let's say so, the strongest country in develop, and financially they tend to become the new, let's say so, the new power in the world. And they try to become bigger and bigger. We have now BRICS Plus because some new country come in: Iran, Arabia, Egypt, Ethiopia, and Emirates. But we have also another 26 countries to apply for membership. It seems that BRICS tend to become much bigger in the future, because BRICS actually try to take over the world. They try to defeat, let's say so, the USA and of course USA dollar, because today it's everything about financially, everything about money. And in this fight against the USA dollar, who is actually, let's say so, the bridge currency in the world in this moment, the BRICS try to overcome the dollars using a new digital payment system named mBridge. But let's find out more about mBridge.
The catch is that there are technically multiple types of CBDCs, each with its own features and purpose. Broadly speaking, there are two types of CBDCs: retail CBDCs, which will be used by plebs like you and me, and wholesale CBDCs, which will be used by select individuals and institutions. As you might have guessed, mBridge is a wholesale CBDC system, and it's meant to be used only by institutions. And as I mentioned in the intro, mBridge is based on Ethereum. In fact, it's essentially an Ethereum copy. It uses a blockchain called the MBL, which is coded in Solidity and uses the EVM for smart contracts. Of course, the difference between Ethereum and the MBL is that the MBL is private and permissioned. This means you need to be a central bank or commercial bank to use the MBL. Naturally, these central banks and commercial banks run the nodes on the MBL, with participating central banks running de facto validator nodes and participating commercial banks running de facto relay nodes. Another difference between mBridge and Ethereum is that mBridge seems to be much faster. This is because of its novel consensus mechanism called dashing. Now, dashing was developed by Chinese researchers, and it validates a block by checking random chunks of it rather than the whole thing.
The purpose of the mBridge it is to, let's say so, switch and to replace, let's say so, SWIFT payments, because the SWIFT payments is quite clearly they are aligned with the West, and when you have problem with the West, like Russia, you always have problem with the payments, and that's why mBridge come to replace SWIFT in the near future. But how this will affect and if this will work or not, we will see in the future. Till next time, stay in crypto, stay positive, and follow us for more.